Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, welcome to today's Practical Hakka.
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong，
我是 Emily，
我是石杜华。
Yes, and all month long we are talking about public transportation. 我们这个月呢是教大家要讲大众运输的一些客家用语。那这一次呢，我们要教大家怎么坐计程车 to take a taxi. So are you ready, Ron? Are you ready, Alice? All right, so first of all, how to take a taxi. 坐计程车。
坐機場茶，
坐機場茶，
推機糖茶，
坐機場茶，
坐機場茶。Okay, so I want to tell the taxi driver, please take me to 三峽 Old Street. 请载我到三峽老街。
我愛去
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 三峽路街，
三峽路街。
三峽路街，
我愛去三峽路街。
我愛去三峽路街。I don't know what that was about, but 老街還有海陸腔的說法，對不對？
路街，
路街。
路街。
Okay, so I'm going to ask the driver to drop me off after the next traffic light. 過了前面紅綠燈，我要下車。
過嚟頭前，
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 鳳牆頂，
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 我愛下茶，
我愛下茶。
過嚟頭前，鳳牆頂，我愛下茶。
Oh no!
We can do it, Em. We can do it. Count it down. 1、2、3。
過嚟頭前，
過嚟頭前，
鳳牆頂，
鳳牆頂，
我愛下茶，
我愛下茶。
過嚟頭前，鳳牆頂，我愛下茶。
過嚟
頭前，鳳牆頂，我愛下茶。Okay, and I want to ask him to keep the change because he put up with my very bad Hakka. 零錢不用找了，
人生錢，
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 唔是找，
唔是找，
人生錢，唔是找。
人生錢，唔是找。Whew, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子 C。
จักเลยแล้ว
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.